So yeah, the car does have to be lowered pretty bad. It's so high, it looks weird. I want to shoot a quick video to show you what the E46 looks like before we put the suspension on. So right now you see we have the wheels on here now, and they do stick out some, but not as bad as when it was on the lift. So once we have the new suspension installed with the camber kit, we're going to be able to get enough camber to get these wheels tucked into the fender. So should be good. In the back, looks like it's going to fit just fine. Actually, with the back, we might even need a little bit of a spacer. Yeah, maybe just a little bit. So you can see the car is very, very high off the ground. Definitely needs suspension. All right, well that's next. Now it's time to install the suspension.